Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing Apple iPods Pro 2nd generation on USB-C cable. So the 2023 Apple, the newest product, iPods Pro. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, user's manual. Okay. Something new. There is some new things. Okay. So what do we got here? iPods Pro. Manual. Okay. Yeah, quite nice. Oh, it's ready. USB-C. Alright. Oh, there's something to hang on. We've got cable. Yes. This is what I need. USB-C cable. Okay. What is that? Oh, different sizes now. You can choose from different sizes. Okay. Small, extra small, small and large. Okay, and medium I guess is here. This is medium. Alright. Okay guys, if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.